Hello, today I am going to show you how to use your Zoom on your phone. So, first you have to make sure that you have your Zoom application with you. I mean, you have downloaded the application and this one is up to date. Now, this is what it looks like. To start, all you have to do is to simply tap New Meeting, this camcorder icon or camera icon. You have to tap this one and you can see there are options like video on. You can toggle this on or not, it's up to you and use personal meeting ID. So all you have to do here is to simply tap start a meeting if you want to start a meeting on Zoom. So click join, wait for a couple of seconds as it is connecting, and then this is what it looks like. Now you have options here below. As you can see, we have join audio, stop video. Okay, we have also here participant. Now, if you tap this participant, you can see here invite. All you have to do is to tap this. Then you can simply copy the link below and you can share it to your friends or anyone you want to join in the meeting. Okay, you just have to paste this on any social media account and send it to them. Now, when you click this chat here, the participants in this Zoom meeting call, okay, you can tap anything here, you can add emoji and then send. Now, if you tap this share or share screen, you can simply share everything on your screen. You can go to YouTube, PowerPoint, you can share your file, you can share your gallery, everything is up to you. And also, you can simply end the call. Tap join a meeting if you want to join a Zoom meeting call. Paste or type the meeting ID, and then you have the option here, join options, and then click join. As easy as that. That's how easy it is to use Zoom on your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.